Terve.
Moi!
Heippa. This is Fire in the North Sky. We have been here outside Helsinki recording for a CD for a week or so now.
Niin, levyä on tehty viikko.
Kyllä, ja olemme erittäin onnekkaita, että me ollaan saatu tämä äänitettyä, koska tätä on meiltä pyydetty useamman kerran, että olisi myös tämän meidän esityksen rinnalla CD-äänite. Ja nyt se on tulossa.
So last year on the tour, we had the chance to tour this show in the UK, and time after time people asked us if there was a recording available. So that's why we came here this week to record the show, and the CD's not yet ready, the recording's done.
But we still need to press it and publish it. And here it would be fantastic to get your support. So you can buy the CD in advance and help us get it published.
Thanks very much for your support.
Kiitos tuesta.
Kiitos.
Kiitos.